everybody, my name's Caitlyn, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to make friends during lockdown. So this can prove quite hard, seeming we're not allowed any social interaction, well, physical social interaction anyway. But I'm just going to list a few things of ways you can make friends during lockdown and ways you can actually expand your social group whilst staying safe and indoors. One way in which we can actually maintain our normal friendship groups is actually doing regular FaceTime calls. So if you've got friends that you know are struggling or you just want to catch up with, a little FaceTime call goes a long way. Another way we can make friends during lockdown is finding a hobby. Now, I'm a big advocate for this because I actually started my YouTube channel during lockdown and that has led me to make so many new friends. We've done Zoom calls and having that interaction there has led to new friendships that I didn't know would ever exist. So finding a hobby like social media, anything that involves staying indoors and staying safe is a good way to make friends. Another way we can make friends is actually with the use of apps. Now I know this is a big thing amongst our generation and there's actually been apps made to do with friendships and creating friendships, and I know Cosmopolitan have done an article all on this which you can probably see here, so I'd go and check that out and connect with more people and just see who's out there wanting to make friends. Another way which I think is actually really helpful is the use of gym classes. Now I know the University Sports Centre is currently running online gym classes, so that could be another way you could make friends with connecting people who are doing the same gym class as you. You could reach out, you find a common interest. When talking about reaching out, we can also look at the people on our course, the people on our modules. Seeing those familiar names pop up on your seminars, you know, you can always reach out, talk to them about the seminar preparation, anything like that. And putting a name to a face is always good after lockdown, but making them connections before we can all meet up and before we can all come together as a group is always a great way to make friends. The Students' Union are still running their societies, sports societies, academic societies. That's another way you can stay friends with those who were in the same society as you, or also new members. And lastly, they are also running the International Students Buddy Scheme, which again, that is another great tool the university had to offer in order to make friends during lockdown. So that's it from me today. I hope I've given you some helpful tips on how to go about making friends whilst we actually can't go outside or interact with anyone physically at the moment, and I hope you take these tips on board. And also we need to remember the university do have lots of tools that can help us with feeling lonely and feeling that we can't connect with any of our friends at the minute. They have tools that aid that, which is really helpful. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.